Hello friends, do you know the basics of our existence? Well, let me explain. This is Mahi Sultan and I would like to speak on many different subjects, and my favorite subjects are self-development and motivation and finance. So, our existence consists of three things. First, our body, second, our mind, and third is our soul. So, in order to be satisfied, in order to live a healthy, wealthy life, in order to feel good, we need to do something about all three components of our existence. That's our life. If we ignore one, the second will not work. So we need to simultaneously satisfy all these three factors called mind, body and soul. So let me take for an example the first part, which is body. So body, as we all know, that body is very important part, and our body is our real picture what we present, external picture of the body which we present in front of people, right? So we really need to be concerned about maintaining our body, maintaining ourselves. Okay, so first and foremost thing to maintain our body is to go for exercise, right? We can have any type of exercise. Second thing to maintain our body is to give a good fuel. Like, in order to run vehicles, we need to petrol it, we need to give it a fuel. So to our body, the fuel which we need to give should be chosen wisely, then it will give us the best output. Okay, so, and our external look, the way we present ourselves really is very important and will really impact a lot on your personality. So maintaining body includes having satisfaction from inside and looking good from inside and outside both. Well, let me go and switch on to second part, which is our mind. So in order to make sure that our mind works properly, we need to really give it a great, smart and intelligent stuff. So for that, we need to continue reading, we need to do smart things, we really need to utilize our brain so effectively so that we can produce the desired output from our mind. Third part is our soul. Soul is our spirit. Soul is our inner thing which needs to be taken care of. If we are taking care of our body, if we are taking care of our brain, we are feeding our body, we are feeding our mind by giving it a smart and nutritious and intelligent things, making best use of it. So third is giving some food to our soul. And what is it, friends? Yes, you are rightly getting it. It's the meditation and yoga and prayers. These things gives you satisfaction and fuel to your soul. So you are peaceful from within. If you are peaceful, you can really deliver good results. You can feel good from inside, and that will really enhance your personality and your output. So friends, I have explained here three basics of our existence. That is a human being. One is our body, second is our mind, third is our soul. So we need to take care of everything, all the three parallelly, and feed them and make sure that all these parameters work simultaneously and giving us the desired results. So I hope you will put stress on maintaining this three integral part of our life. Thanks for watching. Mahi will be there next with some new subjects. Bye and take care.